It's about that time again, upset everybody with our beautiful bodies. And if your closet is low on what helps you fake that cake, then keep watching, because I'm gonna show you what slim thick hacks I have in store for you. A special thank you to today's sponsor, Lovelywholesale, for providing these fast fashion trends that I'll be wearing in the first part of the video. If you don't already know, light colors will help accentuate curves, period. Like, any light color will do, as long as it's not gonna be like baggy, you should be good. This fit is so cute for anyone who just wants a fun but comfortable look that's still gonna accentuate your curves. I'm wearing the Lovelywholesale's trendy butterfly print light jean pants. This isn't a plus size, and I shouldn't have got a plus size because it's a little big, but I'm so in love with this casual v-neck tassel light gray sweater. Next is their camo printed cargo pants, and I honestly liked these a lot. I only just wish that they had pockets at the back. I still wanted to share this with y'all because it's giving me like militant baddie, like don't play with me. I like the fit. Next are these casual athleisure wear pants. What's a big plus about these pants are how form-fitting they are, but it's stretchy. And it even comes with a belt, which I thought was really cute. I was a fan of this from the minute I saw it because I'm just a really big fan of sweats lately. You can have form-fitting pants, but they can like flatten your body sometimes depending on the material. So if you get something that's more stretchy, it's gonna end up accentuating your natural curves. Now, normally my tip would be to color block. So color blocking is essentially finding patterns that are going to have chunks of different colors so that it can really draw focus to your bum. But this set doesn't have that. I just still wanted to throw that tip in there for y'all. Okay, so I goofed and I wore this set the other way around, but honestly, it just goes to show you this set is pretty versatile. Make sure them pockets are small, baby. These hollowed out pants are super baggy, but when they get to the top, honey, they definitely start to fill in. Okay, look at how small those pockets are. Like, they're like really tiny, so they're doing a lot for my body type. I guess that's the Gara Gara dance. I don't know what I was doing, but regardless, look at this top. This top is so cute. Now, it's not gonna do a whole lot for your slim thick styling, but no pun intended. It's just going to be a fun little piece for the summertime. They definitely did that with this piece. Oh my gosh, like it is so pretty and cute. I know this video is real short, so I gotta go quick. Okay, so cinch in your waistline with loose blouses. Now, this is no longer Lovelywholesale products. These are just my own little pieces, and I wanted to show y'all the difference. I think this tying blouse method is so effective because, I mean, look at the difference. It just definitely does a lot for your silhouette, and it's so easy to do. Next, I would say focus on the yoke, okay? Not your egg yolks. This ain't Gudetama, all right? We talking about curved, heart-shaped yokes. That's the seam right below your belt. And it's usually going to look either straight or curved. Get the curved ones or the heart-shaped ones. I promise you, the straight ones aren't gonna do anything to make your bum look good, okay? Patterns improve the fullness of that donk, for real. Like, try it out, look at it, see the difference, because it's definitely more stuff going on. And this is one of my newer pants. I really like these pants because also they're stretchy, but the pattern, it's doing a lot for me, okay? Find you something like this that fits comfortably, has fun patterns, and is going to really accentuate your curves. The stretchier, the better. I'm telling you, like, the more you combine these trends in one outfit, the more you'll start to see those curves pop out. Or you can just not try any of these tips and just be a baddie all by yourself, because, you know, I love slim thick tips, but I don't always follow them. Sometimes I just like baggy clothes, you know? If you don't feel good about yourself, baby, none of these hacks are gonna do anything for you, and you need to work on that, baby. Self-love is everything. And if you want, check out the discount code from Lovelywholesale down below, and I'll see you in my next video.